something, son?
No, sir.
You must be Rudolph.
How'd you guess?
You look mighty cold, son. So I understand you want to be a flyer like your papa.
You wouldn't want me on your team, sir. Not with this nose.